five tips for parents. Start brushing the kids, even gums. With little kids, under 6 months, you can still use the little slip-on cloths that are softer and kind of like the not so abrasive, and clean around the gums, and sets the groundwork to for brushing later on. Kind of familiarizes the kids, and it cleans the environment. So really kind of starting early with introducing them to flossing, brushing, keeping the environment healthy. One very important thing is how much the amount of milk and juice their teeth are comes in contact with. So definitely not in the bed at night. You don't want to have a bottle at night. The best way is even if they need a bottle before bed, they'll drink their whatever bottle of milk, and then brush their teeth, and then go to bed. It should just be kind of something that is not associated with sleep, technically, and definitely not throughout the night. It shouldn't be a milk bottle sitting there. If your kid really gets up looking for something, it could be a water bottle, or if you need to wean them off, it could be slowly kind of diluted milk, so just 50%, then 25%, then very little milk in, so that you can slowly move to just giving kids water. Juice, I think there's no reason kids need to have juice. I mean, eat whole fruits, it's probably the best way. I think kids these days are just introduced to way too much processed food, snacks, and things that have a lot of sugar in them. They're very processed. So as much as possible, you want to delay the introduction of anything that's refined or has a lot of sugar or high fructose and stuff like that, to the kid as late as possible. And sometimes it's easier than others, but really, there should be a level of just kind of control and just limit how much sugar kids consume. Definitely seeing a professional, ideally in the first year. Just kind of setting the groundwork to for those appointments, and for the teeth to get checked. Are they erupting properly? Are they coming out the way they need to? Are they looking fine? Are there any caries? Anything to kind of anything we want to be concerned with? Anything to that worries us? So definitely seeing a professional is very important.